Guys, it's token 49. I'm running around Singapore, but let's take a quick look at this market and let's look at a couple of setups. And before we jump into the video, just a reminder, October has been up 10 out of 12 times. So we're looking for an Uptober here. The question is, how do we get there? First chart is BTC, 2 hour, looking a little bit bearish on the oscillator. It tells me we could look for longs of the 111 to 110K zone. There is a VWAP and a little bit of foot confluence at 111.5 for the DGens out there that want to give it a crack. Quick look at dominance, 59.3% is the big one for me. If we do push up into this region, that means these alts are going to drop a little bit, most likely into these entry zones that I'm about to give you. And then we are looking for that dominance rejection, which will push these alts up. Our first altcoin is ETH. Look at this on the 2 hour, looking a little bit bearish as well, very similar to BTC. This tells me we could look for some kind of longs in the $4,000 region. If we do get some kind of big pump, there's a nice short zone floating around 4,400. Let's take a look at hype here. Big level 43 and 40, and we're quite close to a 2 hour oscillator reversal. So I'm watching these levels closely. If we do pump up here, 48 and 52, be careful in those zones. Take a look at pump here. 506 to 445 is a nice high confluence bull zone, looking for a bounce in this region if we do get a little bit more weakness in the market. If we do drop into that zone, you can see that 4 hour oscillator will reset to the downside. So this should give us a nice move once we get that reset. And is ASTER finally losing a little bit of steam? I've got 2 long zones for you guys here. The risk will be about 3% each for your stop losses, and you're looking for about a 5 to 10% bounce in these regions. So for me, ASTER possible longs 173 or 153. Look for those bounces on any weakness. Another nice one is virtual. I'm actually tracking this on a much higher time frame. This is the daily chart you are looking at, and that 786 looks so hungry to be tapped. So the zone for me, 8750 to 80, looks really juicy there on virtual. And the bonus here is if we drop there, we're going to print new lows on the price action, and we're probably going to print bullish divergence on those oscillators, which could give us a nice bounce. Now, if you guys like these types of setups, well, I trade them daily on the Chart Hackers YouTube channel when I'm not running around Singapore. Catch you guys later.